Hi. I know it's weird that I have a second video, but I realized I didn't finish. And instead of adding that to, because these are not actually finished, these feet are not actually finished. I definitely didn't put my best foot forward because I have one last step, and I'm just going to kind of steam through it because it's. So this will have a short little video. Um, I wish I could edit it together with the other one, but I can't. Okay, let's see. And this one, the reason why I decided not to do that is because I had to order pieces because I was missing them. Come on. How many did I need? 6, and I ordered 10, I think. Okay, so with this, I have to do this thing 3 times. So let's see, one. Wait a minute. How many pieces does it require? Why does that require 6 of them, and I'm only doing it 3 times? Oh, because I'm doing it 3 times twice. That makes sense. So, I will do the 3 steps. I would do the steps. But luckily enough, everything I need for this step is all the same color. And so, in theory, it should be easy to put together. Well, easy to do. And I'm basically creating the claws which have to attach to the front. So I'll just do that. Just get that done. And I guess since I'm going to have another video to have to do with this one, I'll do something extra. I don't know. I'll look at the time that this video is using, and I will see if there's something I can do. Maybe I don't know. Did I do that right? Okay. Should fire my assistant for allowing me to, miss this last step. But unfortunately, I'm my own assistant. I can't fire myself. Or can I? Assistant? Yes? You're fired. What? You can't fire me. I made you. Well, technically, I made you. Well, technically, I made both of you on the spot. What? No. 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 I'm alive. I'm a real boy. What? No, you're not Pinocchio. Please don't sue us for that. I'm a real boy. Stop saying that. Real boy. Stop that. Beep. This video has been taken down because of copyright. What are you talking about? No, it hasn't. There's no copyright here. Oh, come on. Yes, there is. No, no, no. I'm losing my mind. Okay, that was the first sub-step of this last step. Then I take... Okay. Okay. How do I attach those? Attach these little doohickeys onto the thing, and I just make sure I have the right doohickeys. That's not the right doohickeys. Is this the right doohickey? Yep, that's the right doohickey. Put the doohickey here, and then we put the... Oh, no, we're not starting that. Oh, come on. Nope, nope, nope. Nope, 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 nope. We can start it if we want. No, we can't. No, we can't. I think we can. Oh, hush. Oh, you. This is the life of a weirdo. I'm not weird. You're talking to a wall. It's a good conversation. Use your words. I don't want to. They scare me. Your words scare you? Yes, my words scare me. Your words scare me too. My words don't scare me. They scare you. That's what I said. Didn't you just say that? What? No. I don't know. What are you doing? Are you crazy? Is that a rhetorical question? No? Well, yes, because I know you're crazy. I'm not crazy. You're crazy. Yes, clearly I'm the crazy one. You're talking to yourself. Well, I'm talking to you. But, well, uh, oh, hush. Oh, you. Wait a minute. To see more of this. What? There's no more. This is it. What? There's no content otherwise. There's older content. There's not new content. If you want to see more of this craziness, go on to Spotify on Mind of the Rev. You may see some crazy things. They don't see anything. They hear things. They hear things too? No. It's a completely audio thing that they don't see anything. They just hear it. Again, they hear things like I do. You can join us hearing things. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, 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 you. This has been a trademark. Ay, 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 you. What? No, it's not trademark. It's a noise. Well, you can trademark just about anything. You can trademark a piece of bread. What? I definitely have trademarked bread. No, I haven't. I know you haven't. I have. Are you insane? Don't answer that. Yes, I am. I'll just go in there. Let's see. Okay, yeah, that's right. I got one toe done. Now on to the rest. Some people say I'm crazy. Yes, and those people haven't stopped. What are you saying? I feel like I just said it. I'm not the crazy one. You're the crazy one. Who's more crazy, the crazy person or the person talking to the crazy person? As if they're real. You think I'm a real boy? No, don't start that stuff again. But I want to be a real boy. Well, you're not. You're just a voice in my head that won't be quiet. Oh, you can't say the word shut up? I was just trying to be polite. Well, don't. You. I don't know. I was trying to think of a bad word to say, but your head's not full of any bad words. Well, sometimes it is, but I try to keep those to myself. You mean keep to yourself and all the voices? The voices cause me to have the bad words. What? Ay, ay, ay. Okay, so that was all the feet. You made feet? We don't do feet pics. Oh, stop. Okay, now this is going to be... That was not frustrating. This will not be frustrating. This will not be frustrating. I am going to keep... Don't fall off. Don't fall off. Don't fall off. Like you just did. 1 foot done. Wait, wait a minute. We're actually doing feet pics? No. 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 Oh, come on. You can get some people. I'm not doing feet pics. Well, didn't you say... Well, technically they weren't feet when they were done. They were unfinished feet. So we're doing unfinished feet pics. Oh, that's disgusting. No. 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 Okay. So here we have the actual finished feet And no, they're not feet pics. Not yet, because I haven't taken a picture of them, which I would do right now. We're taking feet pics. Oh, come on, stop that. Huh. Okay, let me take a picture of these. Yes, we're doing. No, we're not. Well, that was in almost 12 minutes, 11 minutes. So, I was going to do something bonus. I hope this bonus of me talking to myself was enough. I'm not putting these, attaching this to the legs. I'm just going to place them over here. And, yeah. I was going to go further with this, but I'm not going to. So, here we are. We're done.